In order to meet the global demand for renewable energy sources, offshore wind power generation rises above the other alternatives. The U.S. offshore wind market is poised to supply the U.S. with future electricity, but the Jones Act presents some unique challenges to the logistics of turbine component supply. Varying weather conditions and the sensitivity of wind turbines and blades limit the component transfer windows and presents safety and quality hazards to the projects, resulting in missed equipment transfer opportunities and delays to the projects. Thrustmaster has the solution with our portable dynamic positioning system. Having the ability to utilize existing barge and ship assets and dynamically upgrade them dockside for dynamic positioning can be a game changer for the offshore wind industry. Thrustmaster's portable dynamic positioning system of modular thrusters, power units, and controls can be conveniently located on the vessel as working and vessel operation space requirement allow. The portable dynamic positioning system can be delivered with certification by any marine classification society. Using existing barge and ship assets and converting them easily to DP 1, 2, or 3 level with Thrustmaster's portable dynamic positioning system allows for wind turbine feedering to be completed safely, on time, and ensures quality transfer of components from the feeder barge to the wind turbine installation vessel. With dynamic positioning of the feeder barge, you eliminate downtime due to unfavorable environmental conditions that would prevent non-DP barges from operating, causing missed installation windows, delaying the project and increasing the overall project cost. At Thrustmaster, we specialize in providing our clients with the propulsion they need in order to effectively achieve their objectives. Find out more at thrustmaster.net and discover how we can help propel you forward.